Wheelbarrows are an essential tool for any outdoor project. There are many products available to choose wheelbarrows, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best wheelbarrows from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Choice Products Dual Wheel Home Utility Yard Wheelbarrow. The Best Choice Products Dual Wheel Garden Cart is a multi-purpose cart with a deep 5 cubic foot capacity that allows you to easily transport soil, bricks, mulch, gravel, and other materials for home improvement projects. Its two-wheel design with inflatable, 13-inch rubber wheels provides stability and easy maneuverability on various terrains. The thick, padded handlebar doubles as a stand for idle use, and its durable plastic bin and powder-coated steel frame ensure long-lasting use. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, this cart is perfect for all your gardening needs. Number 2. Two-Wheel Wheelbarrow, 330 pounds capacity yard cart. The ID's Yo Yard Cart is a versatile wheelbarrow designed for your gardening needs. With a 5 cubic feet load tray capacity, it can transport materials like gravel, mulch, compost, branches, or shrubs effortlessly. The stable dual-wheeled system ensures smooth rides on rough terrains, while the ergonomically designed handlebar provides improved grip and comfort. Made of durable PE tray and powder-coated steel frame, this wheelbarrow can hold up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks while keeping your area tidy. Number 3. Simplay 3 Easy Haul Wheelbarrow. The Simplay 3 Easy Haul Wheelbarrow is a heavy-duty, double-wall plastic construction garden cart that can withstand heavy loads and outdoor elements without rusting or denting. It features 2 large, easy-rolling wheels and a smooth handle for stable loading, moving, and unloading. The extra deep well holds 4 cubic feet of heaped capacity and has a flat floor to keep contents level. Plus, it comes with a bonus storage tray for garden tools, drinks, plants, and more. Made in the USA and backed by Ohio-based customer service and support. Number 4. Works WG058 in 1 Aero Cart Garden Cart. The Works WG050 Aero Cart is a versatile yard cart that can transform into 8 different carts in one, including a wheelbarrow, dolly, and trailer tote. With a turbo lift design, it can carry up to 200 pounds with ease, making heavy loads feel like approximately 17 pounds. The innovative two-wheel placement and flat-free tires provide a smooth ride, while the included accessories, such as the cylinder holder and plant mover strap, make yard work even easier. Plus, WRX tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology for a cost-effective and long-lasting tool collection. Number 5. Red Toolbox Stanley Jr. Kids Wheelbarrow. Red Toolbox Wheelbarrow is a kid-sized wheelbarrow made of durable wood and plastic parts, perfect for outdoor use. Your child can work alongside you, experiencing the joy of helping out. The compact size, approximately 32 inches by 16 inches by 17 inches, makes it easy for your little one to handle. This wheelbarrow encourages outdoor play and allows your child to learn about teamwork and responsibility. It's a great way to engage your child in productive activities while having fun outdoors.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.